Good day, grade 8. So I'm sorry kung naputol discussion natin last time. So today, we are going to solve this kind of problem taken from mathbeats.com. Given the diagram at the right, which of the following inequalities describes the possible values for x? To use the hinge theorem, we need to check if the triangles have two congruent sides. Here, AD is congruent to CD. Okay? What else? Ano pa yung congruent side na meron sa dalawang triangle? Of course, BD is congruent to BD. They share with this side, BD. So, therefore, congruent itong side na to sa dalawang triangle. Ayan. We already have two congruent sides. Now, let us check their included angle to determine which third side is longer. Okay? So 120 degrees will be the included angle in triangle ADB, and 140 degrees is the included angle in triangle CDB. Now, based on the included angle, yan, diba? We have angle BDC is greater than angle BDA. Since angle BDC is greater than angle BDA, then the opposite side, ito, ayan, then the opposite side of angle BDC, which is 28 degrees, is also longer or greater than the opposite side of 120 degree angle, which is 4x minus 4. Now, if we are going to rewrite this, wherein the variable should be in the left side, para hindi tayo nalilito, we can have this one. 4x minus 4 is less than 28. Ayan. Then, solve for x. Parang equation lang yan, but we have here an inequality sign. So, we will add 4 to both sides of the equation, APE. Cancel. Or this is be removed because it has a sum of 0. Bring down 4x. So 4x is less than 32. Divide both sides by 4. Then, x is less than 8. Yeah, so we also have here one inequality that x is less than 8. Now, what are the numbers less than 8? Of course, pwede si 7.99. Diba? Pwede si 7.88. 7.98. So, in a whole number, we have this 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's try to erase. So again, we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and even 0, diba? Even negative 1, negative 2, those are numbers less than 8. So up to negative infinity. So let us try to substitute the values of x to 4x minus 4 to check kung ito ba ay possible na maging value ni x based doon sa problem. So if x is 7, then 4 times 7 minus 4, we have 24. And then if x is 6, then we have 4 times 6 minus 4, then 20. If x is 5, so 4 times 5 less 4 is 16. If x is 4, 4 times 4 minus 4 is 12. If x is 3, 4 times 3 is 12, less 4 is 8. If x is 2, 4 times 2 minus 4, which is 4. If x is 0, if x is 1, so 4 times 1 minus 4 is 0. If x is 0, we can say that 4 times 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. And then, if x is negative 1, so we have 4 times negative 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 8. And if x is negative 2, 4 times negative 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 16. Now, we already have here all the possible measure of the side AB. But we need to check alin dito ang pwede lang maging side ni AB. Okay? So, dito yon. Now, here are the possible sides. Now, we need to check alin dito talaga yung totoong pwedeng maging side ni AB. Okay? Pwede ba si 24? Is it still less than 28? Yes. How about 20? If AB is 20, is it still less than 28? Yes. How about 16? Yes, of course. How about 12? Is 12 still less than 28? Yes. 8. Less than 28 ba siya? Yes. How about 4? Less than 28 ba? Yes. How about 0? Less than 28? Oo. But, possible ba na magkaroon ng zero measure sa side ng triangle? How about negative numbers? Is it possible to have a negative measurement? Hindi. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang pwede lang na maging values ni x hanggang kay 2 lang daw. Or let's say 1.99, pwede pa rin ba? Yes. 1.0001, pwede pa rin ba? Yes. Pero pagdating kay 1, hindi. So therefore, based on this, we can now have inequality. Ayan, kanina sabi nakita natin na ang x daw should be less than 8. Then after substituting all some possible values of x, we found out also that x should be greater than 1. Okay? Now, if we are going to combine the two inequalities, then x should be greater than 1 but less than 8. So, ano sagot dito? This 1. Ganun lang siya. Okay? So, thank you very much, grade 8, for listening. If you have any question, feel free to message me lang sa messenger.